Right. A good evening, I guess. Um, I need to close up. Sorry. A bunch of shit I don't need. Uh, let's hope nothing will throw a big arrow in my fucking face. That would be the worst. Oh yeah, I I began like 2 seconds earlier. That's that. That's fine. Yeah. Right. So I may have found the culprit. Because if Gmod starts right now and it works 100% of the time, then I know what the problem is. Fuck. I believe in you, Gmod. I fucking believe in you. Come on. Oh. No way. Oh my god. Alright, I found the culprit. Time to uninstall some. Well, not uninstall, but like remove some things from startup, I guess. It does really work now. Okay. Well, anyway, let's go back to GM construct knight, as I always do. Right, so if you weren't there for the last stream, I finished the auto lander, and today I want to make the one that just goes forward the entire time. That's the basic principle. Why is Streamlabs so quick now? Damn! I guess you gotta be streaming for it to be like, yo. So I want to do the... Yeah, I'm just gonna try to do the moving forward one. The one where you push like a button and then it just goes continuously forward. If anybody else, that's my watch. But who gives a fuck? Sorry, I got something in my throat. Wow, why is cappuccino so hot? Oh. Mamma mia. Come on, Gmod. I should have everything closed. I think. I hope. I think would be a better way to say it. Oh, ready to play. Come on, hold mouse. Oh yeah, my mouse reset. What? There we are. And as always, the lamp. Where is it? Lamps. Ah. It's enough. Okay. So, last stream, what I did is that I made green auto assembled. I accidentally assembled all of it, and then I just duped it, and I was like, oh wait, I need to like disassemble it and like take every single piece and then just yeah. A funny thing that happens when I spawn this in. Yeah, I don't know why that happens. I don't know what wells don't exist. Because it all flies perfectly. And then I can fly around. I press R. Whee! Oop, and there it is. And then what I did is that I just took it and I made it its own little 3 pieces. So this is a ranger, which has a plug, and then you need like how many ever of those. And I have this ranger array concatenator, which takes 4 ranger inputs and outputs as 1 array. And then in this one, you put the seat in here, you put the ranger in here, you put the emulation seat out of here, and then yeah, that's that. So basically, what I want to do now is I have studio. I have this ship, I guess. That's how we're calling it. And then I have this small little controller. Now, what I want to do is I want to take... I want to be able to push a button, and then for these 3 thrusters to be continuously fired. So there's multiple ways that I can do this. Either I have like a Sista board here. Oh wait, but then I would need like a splitter or whatever. Oh, that's a bit weird. Cause then can I make a splitter? Splitter? Hang on, like. Let me just like hover this in the air, and then I'm gonna just precision it. Wait. And then we have 1 input. And all I would need to do is I would just need to say the in is this out and the in is this out. What? Is that just a splitter? What the hell? Hang on, let me just weld all this together. What the hell? So if I okay, let me just try this with like a sister board. God damn it! What's going on? Why is it like this? Okay. I guess I need to make the board first. So it's gonna be a plate as normal, and then it's gonna have all this. Yeah, sure. I don't know. I kind of want to try the splitter now. just for novelty. Does it really work? Like what? Like no way it just works, right? Right? Hang on, so I figured... And I plug you on this side. And I plug you on this side. And I plug you on this side. So whatever comes in here should be distributed along these cables. So this is the input. And then this is this output. And then you are this output. Huh. I don't really have a way to test it because there is no easy way to make arrays with gates. You can find something in an array, you can get a type, and you can read something from an array. Away? Damn! But then you can't make an array. I mean, not that I have found. Well, you can't make a list, basically. Because a vector isn't an array. A vector is just... yeah. I'm gonna... cool. I think it's gonna be another seat emulator kind of thing. I'll just try it. How would I call the other one? Green auto land. Okay, so I'm like, what color am I feeling for this? What? What color am I feeling for this? Hello, Brahex. What color am I feeling for the one that always accelerates? Feeling kind of orange, you know what I mean? That feels kind of orange. Right, new file. Oh, what should I call it? Hang on, I'll look up what the German name for it is. For the Tempomat. Der Tempomat, Digga. Geschwindigkeitsregelanlage. LOL. Oh, cruise control. Never mind. Orange cruise control. There you go. Orange cruise control. There it is. Alright, let me just copy all this code because it's going to be very similar. Just slightly different. We still have the seat R. There is no more Rangers thing. We just have seat and seat emulator, and then there is there a persist? Let's call it toggle, just to make sure. So if toggle here's the problem. How do you do a toggling behavior in coding again? I don't quite remember. Wait, I think we need to do the if toggle is equal to 1. Then we need to set toggle to 0. Is it like that? I don't know. How do you toggling again? Oh, press Control V, sorry. Press Control B. I'm just gonna remove everything in the middle, just to make my life a bit easier. 0. Wait, what? Let me close everything. God. Orange cruise control. The name didn't change. That's weird. Okay. Oh, here's at 0. What the fuck? That's weird. Sure, put it here. Oh god, what color is orange again in RGB? Let's remember this. Completely unrelated. When's your birthday? It's on the 4th of March. So it's gonna be, you know, next. And actually, I would be old enough to drink in America at that point. But in Germany, the drinking laws are 16, so like, who cares? How do you make orange again? It wasn't this, because that's yellow. It's a less green, so it's... Yes! Yes! I know my colors! Maybe I work a bit too much with colors, I gotta be honest. I was programming in colors the entire day today. Oh, I need to open it up. There we go. So... Sorry that you hear the whoop the entire time. Now I need to think about it. But the way that you do the standard way you do toggling is that if you have one, then you just set it to the other one in it. So if you have a 1 here, then you put a 0 here. In this case, it would be 0. So I'm just gonna say toggle equals 1. And that's how you toggle between this and this if statement. Now, can I do or r is equal to 1? And also seed array interface. Where's r? 1, 2, 3. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9th number. So if toggle is 1 or r is 1, that don't feel right. That does not feel right. It really doesn't. Let me quickly look up how I made it in my code, just to quickly see. Because I know that I've used it in coding before. So I gotta find the project that has it, right? Toggle, there it is. That's not the right one. God damn it. Fuck. Okay. Well, I have no idea. So if toggle is equal to 1 or r is equal to 1. So now we want to switch on the r. Ah, where didn't I know. If toggle is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1. So this basically says if we are pressing r, and toggle is 1, then we want to switch it to 0. Else if toggle, can't type toggle, is 0 or, no, it should be and, shouldn't it? And r is equal to 1. And we switch toggle to 1. Okay, so this is the switching. Where we switch between 1 and 0. Now, this is where we do the actual logic. So if toggle is equal to 1, I think there's a is there a cooldown? Let me quickly check. I still got the cruise control. What? In Antwerpen you cannot use cruise control? That's weird. Oh yeah, never mind. Dashboard, gambling, let's see. What? Site, do you want it? There we go. Modules, gamble minigame. No, there is no cooldown. It just sucks stick. Okay, cool. If toggle is equal to 1. So if toggle is equal to 1, what do we want to do? Well, we want to seat emu equal to do I want to make it good? Nah, fuck it. This is gonna be this for how long? It's gonna be funny. Seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god, if code ever looks like this, just throw it away. Honestly, just rewrite it. That's the best advice I can give you. Mamma mia. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then comes the value of 1. Because you want to constantly move forward. Then comes 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, wait, no, I can make this better. I think I can make this better. Hang on. I'm gonna say... I need to look up the documentation. Hang on a second. Also, Brax, are you watching the VODs on YouTube? Because I don't know if I did, but I may have fucked the audio for the last one. Just because the cutting out of me taking a shit. It took me about an hour to cut it out because I had to render the video twice. And I was like, God damn it. I was like, for fuck's sake. Okay, wait, no. It's push number. Okay. Wait, no, sorry. I forgot. Syntax, probably? Oh wow, else it was written like this? I didn't know that. So, where is it? Ah, there are loops. Oh, mamma mia. A loop through an array with for each. Okay. Wait, my table... No, wait, sorry. Tables do have keys and strings. Huh. Interesting. I guess all I can do is just for I equals 1, comma, seat count. So for anybody unfamiliar with programming, what this basically does, that it makes it so that I can do this now. Seat and wait, no. If I is equal to 9, then what I want to do is that I want to say seat emu push number 1. You just saw me always programming in C# by just fucking doing this at the end of the line. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna put an else in here because I don't want it to push the OG value in it. Okay, damn it. Sorry. Seat emu push number of, come on, seat at that position, and it's gonna be a number. Gee, that looks like garbage. That looks like utter garbage. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Let me just... Oh god. Okay. So if toggles 1, then you wanna not format. We wanna loop through the entire array. Hydrate. I got my cappuccino right here, so. What? Weird that I'm not seeing it. On my end, you just literally wrote the name. But also on Twitch, and that's weird. We go for the first element, we go for the count if it is equal to 9, which is the R. Ah, it's not the R number, hang on. I'm dumb. It's the forward one, the W. Ah, sorry, it's gotta be the first index. Okay, that's alright. So this basically emulates that we're pressing W. And then we'll just go through and push the actual values in. That's what this is gonna do. And then what we need is we need a here and else. Which then basically just does this. Now that should work. That should work. That... Let me just put a trigger all in there, just because I want to trigger it every fucking second. Okay, then I need 2 plugs. One for the seat, one for the emulation. I need to precision them on. Brax, don't you also have Gmod? I think. Oh yeah, I remember. Oh, me, Martin, and you. I think were once on a server. and you were like, this is the greatest part of my life, or whatever. I remember that. Okay, so theoretically this should work. Let me just copy it. But I learned my lesson now. Let me spawn the cable. So how many do I need? I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I shouldn't have welded it yet, so let me just quickly whoop and boop. And then weld that to there. So just for making sense, you go in there and then you go into the seat thing. Whoop. Yeah, also someone when I crashed my... Yeah, I remember his name. I'm not gonna say it. It's like spawning a demon, you know what I mean? You're like, whoa. Don't... What was it again? You shouldn't say, like... What was it? Oh yeah, not saying God's name in vain or whatever. That's him as well. Do not say his name in vain, or he will spawn and wreak havoc. So, let's get in. Alright, for some reason it is not copying values, which is a bit weird. I think I'm just gonna say here toggle equal to 0, just for the sake of... Ah, well, I'm dumb. I didn't hook up the arrays. There we go. So if I press now, all the buttons, so I press R now. Okay, just to make sure, let me just go in here and just set toggle to the output of that as well. Let's see. It don't work. Okay, sorry. That's weird. I think maybe it's because it's like... I'm guessing it's because it's running so quickly. That's dumb. And anyway, it's not working because it's not really doing stuff with the going forward. How do you do a toggle? A flip-flop? No, it's not because of our change, because it changes whenever you press it. So it's gotta be if it's equal to 1. The problem is what happens is that this runs. It gets set to 0. Then what happens is that on the next run, toggle is set to 0 because of this one, and then it's like, oh look, R is still pressed, and it changes it back to 1. How do you do that? How do you do it so that it works? Fuck. How do you make, like, you push it once and it just toggles? Like, that's what I need. I need basically, I can explain it with like mechanics. I need a rising edge detector flip-flop. That's literally what I need. How do you do that in code though? God damn it. How do you do a rising edge T flip-flop? Ah, god damn it. Apart from my PC not liking this many props, I quite like this idea of having these plugs in between and so on. You can like plug out and plug back in and shit, and yeah. Or just imagine you ram into something and then you like all the plugs just fucking fly out. So you need to like, so you need to like go back and you need to plug everything back in. That would be nice. That would be nice. I still don't know what is going wrong. I mean, I do know what's going wrong, but I don't know how to fix it. That's the problem. How do you implement correct toggling? Because I think apart from that, if I set toggle to 1... Yeah, it's going. Maybe use this value. Can you change these damn soda cans on your hovership cart? Why? They're the best! What would you want me to use? I can't quite change the model in here. I would have to like repaste them and shit. I can make them red and yellow. Is that what you want? I mean, yeah, I know people would use these things, right? But what the fuck, they're big. Thruster propeller, that's also big. I want a small one. And that one is like too small. Like, what the fuck is this? That's like cheating. All the other ones, this thing? I don't know. All the other ones are just like a bit too big, to be honest. The fuck is this? Yo! Is that the jetpack from GTA San Andreas? What the fuck? What the fuck? What is this? It's the GTA San Andreas backpack. Jetpack. Metal can. I would have to change most of the wiring. I mean, it's really just this one chip. See, this is why I made this chip based. This is why I made this chip based. It fucking yes. Oh, I didn't know about that one. Hang on. So yeah, it just goes, and if I press R. Oh wait, what? Now it works? And now I can't press any buttons? That's weird. That's weird. Okay, hang on. That was just weird. Alright, I just make them red. All of them? All of them. Why don't you like the cans? I feel like it gives this like Garry Smut vibe of, you know what I mean? Where it's like Yo, this is a Garry smart contraption because it got fucking cans as outgoing things. Okay, that was so it works. So as you can see up here in the top, I don't know. You maybe have to put it on full screen, but this toggle value is 1. So I just pressed R and it's toggles between it now. Right, but it's still a bit weird because for some reason, if toggle is 1, it doesn't quite work. I'm just gonna make seat emu persist. Actually, no, I don't need to. I think all I need to do is just go in here and say that seat emu is equal to array, because then it won't complain about it like needing to be initialized or whatever. And if I press R, it goes forward, and I can still go. I don't know why, but my brain is like, yo, it uses the goddamn, what's it called? It uses the Space Engineers control scheme. So I was pressing F the entire time to leave, and I was like, why is it not working? Right, so I can move around normally now, but if I press R, I'm not pressing W. I can literally let go of my keyboard. But I can still turn and everything. I can still go up and down. Hey, look at that. Haha! I did it! Nice! Again, I'm surprised that this works again. I mean, it wasn't quite on first try, but it was, you know, it didn't crash and burn like I expect most of my things to be. Let me just take this, Control C, go over to U, Control A, Control V. And just upload exit. Or actually, let me just remove this, save. No. Okay, that's the weird thing. You never know when, I guess, when something is. No, where, what are you editing? Are you editing right now something that's just temporary, or a file that is actually saved? Right then. This is the code. Oh god. Oh, that's weird. So wobbly. Okay, anyway. So that's the orange, right? I'm just thinking right now. Oh, they're not even red. How would you call this color? Rust. It's color rust. Right then, so that's the, yeah, that's the cruise control done. Is that all? I am just thinking really hard right now. Actually, I need to remove the toggle from this because it's not necessary. Open this up, it opens up this, and I just click on this, which is, yep, and I just upload and exit. There we go. So I just finished it basically. Let me just also make sure that it's wired up. No, it's not. Okay. That would have been so cool if it wouldn't have been wired up. And then I would copy it. Oh baby, that would be so great. Okay. components, save orange cruise control. That was, to be honest, easier than I expected. I just removed the weld. Does that really work? Like it doesn't. It seems like too unreal for it to work, but it does. I was like thinking it wasn't finished, but it is. How? I'm not pressing W right now, and I don't need to. I can just basically flow along here and just twee. Right then. Now, with these you can fly. You can go up and down, right? Now I want it to basically hover above the ground. I guess it would be called hover, wouldn't it? Whoa. But yeah, I want to be able to go up this hill. Let me show you what I mean. Right now, if I just go with my craft, what happens is when it gets to a hill that's too big, it just kind of wee, and it doesn't go up it. And I want to change this so that it actually like adjust the height of each hover ball independently. So that, oh wait, why don't I just build in here? Why don't I just build in here? This is bright enough for everybody. Ah, you know what? Let's make it dark. I don't know why, but my brain is like thinking, oh, it's like 21 o'clock. How about, you know, it's nice, cozy, and dark and shit. And then I'm thinking like, oh wait, for Brahax right now, it's summer. Which I still can't get over. How the fuck is it summer? How the fuck is it summer? In the southern hemisphere, I don't know. I wonder when people make like, what's it called again? Reports on like in like, for instance, South America. When they say we went there in the summer, do they mean our summer or their summer? I don't even know why I'm asking. It's one rainy hell. It's one hell of a rainy summer. Well, that's usually what summer is. Usually what happens in the summer is that it gets really hot. And then there has been so much heat that I don't know if it's like a high or a low. Just kind of goes in. I'm talking legs being formed and all that. Jesus Christ. No, I'm not tired. What are you talking about? Shut up. I can stream for another hour. Don't worry about it. That's cruise control. I finished cruise control. I'm almost done with the list of what I want to do. Neighborhoods losing power. Jesus Christ. Brazil ain't that good of a country, is it? I mean, I bet it's beautiful, like in what's it called, culturally, right? Like, I bet it got good food. Does it have good food? Mostly what I hear about Brazil is just that people get mugged on the street. Or like that people run into like rich people's fucking when their garages are open and they just steal a car or whatever. Or just the entire garage door, fuck do I know. Certain houses collapse. What the fuck is going on in Brazil? It's fucked up. There we go. Now I'm thinking. Now I am thinking hard. You won't believe. Oh. Perhaps I can't click on it because people will hear the sound. I don't want people who are, I don't know, vibing to this to just be like. I mean, I can probably click on it at the end of the stream. If I won't forget. Like I did with your last message, which I think was. What was it? Like, it's better to just send it in Discord and just say like, hey yo, it's in Discord. Because then I can't miss it. Because then it's gonna be there and then I'm gonna see it. If you're like, hey Tom, it's in Discord, I'm gonna be like, alright. And I'll just look after the stream. So I'm thinking right now, which is the reason why I separated components from holes, as I call them, is that to make it easy to have many different, I guess, layouts of ships, but then all that you need is just one single like component. So you have like this, right? This is one way of making a ship. But maybe, I don't know, Martin or you or who else plays Gmod. That's it, really. Martin or you make a different ship design. Different design of this with different amounts of hover balls and maybe even a different arrangement of seats or like however many thrusters are different and so on. And the only thing that you need would be to just, you know, change this out. And bada bang, bada boom, you're done. Actually, the more I think about it, this and this are not green colors. That sounds weird. They're supposed. I'm gonna make them gray, just so that they're like. Can I hit the value 128? No, I can't. Fuck. There we go. Because those are just like regular stuff. So I'm just gonna copy them. Oh. There we go. And I'll call it components save. Not fray. Gray Ranger comp or components. So I need these, and then I need to save this guy just as green autolander. Delete components, save green autolander. There we go. And let me just rename this one just for renaming sake. Okay, cool. So I don't need you because I don't need to auto land right now. But I do need you. And actually, I think an easier way would be is to have to modify this bit. Oh yeah, right. That's not how moving up works. Oh yeah, because there's nothing on it, I can't move it up. Oh, I love my own system. So I'm just gonna take the gray one. There we go, just weld that to there. I don't fucking give a shit anymore. All I need is just 2 cables. Damn. Oh, I need to tune this one. What? Alright. Again, it's me pressing F because I'm believing. What the hell? Alright. So, as I was saying, for the sake of argument, all I'm just gonna do is put rangers at the bottom of this. I will show the beam for beam's sake, and then I'm gonna put it here at the back as well. Oh, is that the position that I put it? Seems like it. So the idea is, oh yeah, then I just need the quick simple. What is it? There it is. Oh, nice. It didn't save. Oh. Is it this one? Oh, fuck. Where is it? Number array interface? Oh god, this looks thick. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just gonna make my custom one. Fuck it, bro. Fuck it, bro. Who gives a fuck anyway, right? Ranger array in int. Who gives a fuck? A, B, C, D. Output ranger array. Ranger equals array of A and B and C and D. I don't even want to save it in. I just want to whack. There you go, that's the code. All I'm just gonna do is put a plug up here. Okay, that's basically it. That's literally, oh, it doesn't go down. That's literally the modification. So this will be like another hull, basically. Right? So instead of having to put down these ranger props and so on, and then they take up, you know, my FPS and shit, I just have these 4 rangers in here. Boom, done. With a little chip to just have a point here. That's it. So this is what I mean with holes. People can make things look different. People can make things have different functionality from the get-go. And all you need to do is you just need to make each component. And then you just stuck them on there in the correct order, I guess. And then you're done. It works. It works with all the features you want them to have. And yeah. That's it. So what color? Again, what color will this have? That's a question I have. What color will this fucking hover mode have? Oh, I don't know. Oh, let's make it magenta. There it is, magenta, new file, magenta hovering. There it is. No, I didn't. Cool. Let me just take the 2x2 plate again. Tools, color, and then I need the color for magenta, which if I remember correctly should be this, but just higher. Hey, now looks like shit. Good. Okay. There is the magenta hovering. So inputs are gonna be rangers already. It's gonna be this, which is also gonna be in array. And the output should be just hoverballs. Hoverballs. Okay, so slight problem, I guess. I don't quite know where to fit it in. I guess I want to make this like a sister board. Just because that would be a bit easier. Did I just weld already? No, okay, cool. And now the splitter could come in handy. Great, and then here's the component. And we basically won't be using this hoverball output. We're only gonna be using the thruster side of this and connect that up so that we have the normal thruster functionality, but then if we push button we go hover mode, which just basically lowers it down, just allows us to go up hills and so on. Well, that's the idea actually. I don't quite know if it will work, mainly because of this little lip right here, or rather this big ass lip, but who cares? I'll just make it like the height big enough. Who gives a fuck, right? So at first I would like some constants, just because I want to get them out of my brain first. Let's have a hover. Oh god, hang on. Hover this dance, and oh god, dead zone. Stretch. Actually, you're right. Like, whenever somebody says stretch, my brain just goes like, yeah, you need to stretch. Hang on. Oh, I could feel something. Don't know what emote. There is no emote yet for stretching. I don't think there should be, to be honest. Okay. Stretched a bit. I'm gonna make the hover distance 50 for now and a dead zone of 5. This will make sense in a second. Now. I'm gonna say R. No, not Rangers. No. Stop. No, stop. It's gonna be seat of what the fuck was it? 9, I guess. Number. Okay. Sure. Who gives a fuck? I'm gonna add in the plugs for now, so it's gonna get 3 plugs. Ooh, is it already welded in? No, that's good. Just wanted to make sure. I need to craft the splitter again in a second, just to see if and how it could work. Is it bright enough? Because, you know, sometimes I'm thinking, is it bright enough for people who want to see something? Yeah. So the seat is gonna be... Let me change the order of this. Sorry. Seat is gonna be this, Rangers is gonna be this, and then the hoverballs are gonna be that. I'm thinking. Okay, let me. I know what I have to do, which is I have to do. Oh god. No, stop. I need to do a front left. Front right. I'm just gonna set them equal to 0 for now. A back left. And a back right. And at the very end, I just need to do hoverballs. Oh yeah, front left, front right, back left, back right. Oh no. Yeah, who cares? Okay, I also need a persist again. I'm just gonna actually copy what we did here. You know, because I can. Because I need it as well. Let me just copy all of it. Who cares, right? Who the fuck cares? Actually, no. Oh, actually, I'm gonna comment this out. If toggle is equal to 1, then we wanna do all of this stuff. Else we wanna do all of this stuff. What do I wanna do else? Well... Wait, why am I VIP? Because you're a VIP. I don't know. What do I want to do? Why are you crying? Just because you're VIP? What? That don't make sense. How the fuck am I gonna do hoverballs? How the fuck am I gonna do hoverballs? Can I just copy code? Can I do the... Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? It's not that bad, right? Right? I would have to copy this, this. If I were to redeem do a flip, would you actually? Yes. Take a while, guys. I would do a flip. I know him IRL. Yeah, I would do a flip. I don't believe it? Alright. Take a while, guys. I just love Brooks. Take a while, guys. Well, I'm better off to lurk to redeem it. Alright, have fun. Have fun lurking and listening to my fucking shitty voice. Is my voice over the mic different than IRL? You're like the only person I can ask this. Yes, okay, in what way? In what way is it different? Listen here, you little shit. Nah, it's high over mic. God damn it. I knew this would happen. What? No, I just... Oh god. I just uploaded... Okay. Crisis averted. There we go. Okay. That should be all the code, right? Feels like it. Right, so in here now I would need to calculate some shit with the Rangers and the... Sorry. Why do I drink my cappuccino so slowly? I literally have a cappuccino since 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's cold now. Damn it. I need a new mic. But all the mics suck fucking ridiculous expensive dick. So, yeah. I thought, why the fuck? Check Discord. What's it gonna be in Discord? I'll do it. Go ahead. Do the flip. Sorry. I need to do a for loop again? I guess. I think I'm gonna call this minimum hover distance. Just no, stop. It's from another stream, but I'll look. Alright, sure, go ahead. Now I'm thinking. I'm gonna. What? Just. The fuck? What happened? What the fuck is this? You have now access to Guest Star, a new streaming tool that makes it safe and easy to bring your community onto your stream. Well, my community is small right now, so let's not really do it right now. Okay, so what do I need to do? So we need to loop again for all the rangers. I think I can do that. So what was it? 4 I equal 1 and then ranger. There we go. So we are looping through the rangers again. And here's the idea. I'm gonna take a piss and then I'm gonna fucking tell you. I'm gonna take a piss and then I'm gonna fucking tell you. Oh god, it smells like shit in here. And no, I will not edit out this. I won't edit out this BRB because it wasn't as long as me taking a shit yesterday. I think I had to cut out like 15 minutes or something. Anyway, so what are we doing right now? What I'm gonna say is, oh, this is gonna be fucky. Okay, so what I need to do basically is that I need to get the current distance. So I'm gonna say that the current distance is equal to rangers at I, and it's a number. Now, here's the part where my brain will freeze. Hydrate. I need to actually cook up my drink again. Ah, damn. Water tastes like shit. Tastes like nothing. I know that's how water is supposed to fucking taste, but like, nah. I can't do this. Except if I'm really, like, I want to drink something. I'll drink water, I don't care. Or if it's from a glass bottle for some reason. I don't know why a glass bottle is like so good all of a sudden. But I don't know, don't ask me, ask my brain. Right. Should I put this? How much is this? Oh, that's way more than enough. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm about to get diabetes. I like how Twitch chat is reminding me to fucking drink. Like, have I sunk this low as a human being that I just forget to drink? Ah. Okay. Oh, hang on. So we need to do basically two different things. So, if the current distance is less than or equal to our min hover distance, so if our current distance is less than our minimum hover distance, what I want to do is that I want to do hover balls and I want to insert at that position, and because we are less than the minimum height, I want to go up. Now I'm gonna say just a low value for the beginning, 0.2. I'm actually gonna, whoa, my mouse reset, holy shit, wee. I'm actually gonna change these values. Okay, so here's the idea. If our current distance to the ground is less than the minimum hover distance, then we want to go up. Right, so then we have this hover balls array, and then we insert the number at the ranger's position hover speed, which is this goes up. Now, if the current distance is greater than or equal to the minimum hover distance plus the dead zone, so basically what I'm doing here is that I'm just basically having a small little layer where the hover car won't go up and it won't go down, so that it's not basically wobbling across the entire thing. What I want to do in that case is that I want to go to the hover balls and insert number, there we go, add I, and it's gonna be minus hover speed. Insert numbers. So, if our current distance is less than the minimum distance and we want to go upwards, if our current distance is greater than what would be called the maximum distance, then you want to go down. If both of these checks fail, which means that we are in the dead zone layer, then all I want to do is I just want to go hover balls. Actually, I can say else, and then I can just shove this in here, and then I can say at the bottom else, which will fire if none of them happened. A straight up 0, because we don't want to change. Now, that should be the code. And I am afraid. Left curly brace? Why did you expect a left curly brace? After here you want another one? Like this? Oh, because you want to close the entire for loop. Never mind. That one does it. And that one's on the same row. Now just stop. Oh, that's weird. That's weird. What the fuck is happening? Then how do you do else if? How do you do else if? How do you do else if? Oh, never mind. You just collapse them. There we go. Okay, never mind. I just did the things wrong. I'm a bit scared, to be honest. I don't know what will happen. So I will just take the entire duplicate of this. Just to be safe. I know my FPS is not gonna like it, but I want to be safe with this, okay? Oh, it really isn't liking it. Never mind. I guess we're trying our best. To be honest, I'm just gonna copy this. Just to be sure. I mean, I can rebuild this in like 2 seconds. Now I just need the cable, so it's gonna be 1. Ah, no, wait, hang on, I need to make the splitter that I did before I deleted it. Okay, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cables. Damn. That is many cables. Okay. So. This is the seed cable. And then goes. God damn it. Okay. That goes into that one. So you're telling me these two... Oh my god, it does, okay. I'm really scared that something will just fucking die. Honest to god. I mean, I should have the... what's it called? The toggle on. So nothing bad should really happen. I say should. Okay, hoverballs. Oh my god. I feel so nervous connecting this up. Just because I don't want shit to explode, alright? No, I wanna... Okay, cool. I need this seat to connect to this. Oh! I'm just checking if like anything is already like just firing. Cause I would just... Oh, I would cry. Just go up. No way! I slinged it in there! Oh. Oh shoot, gotta go. I have fun, Brags. Wait, no way. No fucking way. No fucking way. Let's see if I can control it normally. Guess what? I can't move. Cabrón! I can't move. No, I can't move. What the hell? Okay, that's a problem right there. Huh? So that's fire, that's not my problem. Can I go up and down at least? Okay, yeah, I can go up and down. Okay. Whew. Moment of motherfucking truth. What happens if I press R? Ah, see? It vibrates up and down. You know what this is? Because the dead zone is too small. So you gotta go in here. Set the dead zone up to, I don't know, let's say 10. Upload and exit. If I press R. Ah, see how just one went up? That's a bit annoying. I want to make this big. Let's make this like 20. Just to be sure. Okay, so I'm a bit worried about it being on its side, but why don't you work? Why don't the thrusters work? That's the most important bit. Okay, that didn't work. What the fuck? Okay. I'm so nervous right now because this is like really honky. It's like honky shit. Okay. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Now, if I can go up that thing, I succeeded. Here's what, I didn't succeed. For some reason not going up. Also, sometimes we're getting way more hoverball values than we should, which is a bit worrying, to say the least. Wait, what was the tick quota exceeded on? It was on this chip? That's weird. That's weird. Ah! Whoa! Look! Wow! So I'm just amazed. Okay, this. Like it kind of works. It kind of works, I guess. I mean, not to the best extent, to be honest, but it does work. Wow, that's amazing. Look at it, adjusting upwards, and the tick quota exceeded again. Why? Wait, toggle's off. Right now, toggle's on, and oh, no. Oh, what? 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 Oh, look, it's going up. Right then. Now, the tick quota exceeded in the worst spot possible. I wonder why it made so many operations. I mean, obviously it's because of the list. But wow. Wow. I'm amazed that it worked. Oh my god. Oh my god. It motherfucking worked. Oh yeah, it's going down to fucking bedrock. Yeah, just nah, I'm not gonna fucking save this. This is like dying. This is doing weird shit right now. Oh my god. It worked. It worked. Okay, so I know where this one is exceeding. It's probably because of the amount of stuff that I'm sending to it, but oh my god. It worked. How? How did it work? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. What? Oh my god. Okay. I don't get how it's like inserting like 15 bajillion times per second. And why is it like always doing it? All I wanted to do is I don't want to replace a certain value. I guess insert... okay, the more I think about it, insert isn't the right set. Ooh. I think that's the one. Is it? Is there a set number? There is. Ah, okay. Use RN number X instead. Okay, so I can simplify the code a bit now. I can say hover balls at I number are equal to hover speed, and I just need to basically copy this over to here, but say it's negative, and go here and say it's 0. There we go. Save next. Wow! I'm surprised it worked. I mean, okay. Maybe the dead zone has to be adjusted and the speed at which they go up and down. But yeah, I guess it worked. It fucking worked. How amazing. I'm surprised, really, honestly. I mean, obviously you can hear it. But wow, it fucking worked. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm just like fucking baffled. That's what I am right now, I'm just baffled. Gee, it fucking worked. Jesus. Okay, I guess I'm gonna rebuild the plate that I had. Oh, it's dark again. I forgot that I hit clear everything. Lamps. Perfect. Color. Expression 2. And then the 3 plugs. Whoa. Ah, who cares? There we go. That's the plate. I'm gonna do the splitter once again. Whoa. That's a bit too big, but no, who cares? Huh? What? Why did they do that? Alright, that's weird. I guess I need to spawn them on... Ah, because they weld to it, don't they? I was like, what the fuck? Why did they just all of a sudden move? cool. Now, actually, I'm gonna save this one as well. I'm gonna save this as a. Wait, no, I didn't hook it up. Sorry. The input of this will be the output of this. It's a bit weird to think of these plugs with like inputs and outputs. But sometimes you have to. Splitter! There it is. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna call this. I'm not gonna finalize it. I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna get 6 cables. And now I'm just gonna build. I saw that they weren't like. Oh, now they are. That's weird. Alright, no. I don't know what happened there. Ich weiß doch. Just gonna copy it. Put it in storage for later. Did I hook up the connections? Yes, I did. Alright, cool. I forgot the rangers underneath. Damn. Actually, this can stay like this. Don't worry about it. Ooh, baby, 12 FPS. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, please. My favorite type of fucking video. Crunchy. And motherfucking. In 2 FPS. Oh. Jesus Christ. Okay, let's add in the Rangers. There and there and oh look, the moon. And there and there, and then I'm gonna put the single chip in the middle. It's not gonna be magenta hovering. It's gonna be Ranger array int. Ranger. Oh, God damn it. I love it when my game runs at 12 FPS. What you mean you don't like it? That's how I used to play Minecraft back in my day. When my shitty laptop was too shit to run it. Alright, what the hell, bro? I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna delete it. But now I also have like 20% more FPS. What the fuck? Okay, who gives a fuck? What? Shove you in and then shove you in. Oh yeah, that's good. It's cozy. You go to you. Oop. Yours goes to yours. Yours goes to yours. Best is if you come up close, because then you can just grab it. You can move it around however you want. And hovering? Yes, okay. Ooh! I like how I plugged everything in, now my FPS is good. Alright. Yeah, it goes. Ooh. And now I press R. It don't do dick! Oh, because I didn't know I didn't know wire in the, this one. Come on. And... Ooh. Now we do dick. Ah, yes. I can't believe it. No way. No, this is impossible. Come on. Oh. Now. Slight problem. How can I say this? The distance between... So, the way that I'm gonna explain this is that if ever the distance between any... If I would drive off this, then the distance between the lowest and the highest would be immense, right? And then what would happen is that the front would basically... One of the thrusters would go down, and then the rest will also increase distance because they're going back, and then it would be a big mess. So what I would need to do is that I would need to add in a little mechanism. And if the distance between the maximum and the minimum, or whichever is greater, is bigger, what the fuck am I saying? Is, you know, too big of a value, then just don't do anything. Just keep hovering at the same height. That's a failsafe that I would need to put in. But apart from that, I think it's pretty good, actually. I mean, it's a bit worrying that it's like this unstable, but that's part of the dead zone. It will fix itself when I fix the values for the dead zones and so on. But my god, that would basically require a bunch of testing and trying to see what value of like height and dead zone range would be good. But look at that, it goes up hills. No fucking way. So on here it died because I think... Oh, see? That was because of the tick quota, but now I'm not generating as many hoverballs. Like, I'm not adding any more to the hoverball list than I need to, so now it's just hovering. Oh, this is so weird. Look at this. Oh, that's so weird. Oh yeah, and the reverse is also true. If I would go up with one side on this, it would kind of slant and go to the side. Which I think... Oh my god. Look at this. It worked. I mean, it's a bit. I know it's a bit slanted. I know. But my God, it fucking works. No, it's slanted like this because the dead zone is too wide. If I would lower the dead zone to be a bit smaller, it would basically correct itself. So if I change this to, I don't know, 10. Now it's not doing dick because I didn't press R. Yeah, but you see it kind of wobbles about. That's what the dead zone was trying to prevent. So you know, it's this value between like, do I want it to wobble about? Do I want it to just be a stable flight? I mean, all of this just depends on like, you know, magic values that I would need to figure out with testing and so on. I won't do it today. I don't know if I'm gonna do it in the next couple of days. But oh, look, oh that whoa, baba, see, this is the wiggling that I didn't want with the small dead zone. It goes whoop 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 whoop, and if it doesn't settle down, we get to a bad value. Yep. Oh, it's gonna. Yeah, my head is stuck firmly in the ground. And I'm applying all the force that I got of going down. I don't know if going down is even the right option. Oh, minus 4,000? Jesus Christ, yeah. So I would have to add in the limit of... Let me just open up the editor here. So in here... Oh wait, no, should I... I think I should check it here. I'm just gonna call max discrepancy. Wow, what should this value be? I don't know. I think it should be less than the dead zone. Or should it? Let's just set it to 20. And basically what I need to do is I need to do it here. Is there a way that you can break out of an if loop? Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I would need to check it here. Or do I? I need some sort of if statement. So basically what I need to do is I need to do if Rangers minimum. No, it should be maximum. Minus Rangers minimum is greater than or equal to max this max discrepancy. I just need to basically do Oh wait, no, I can do this. I can do it in here. Yeah, so if the maximum minus the minimum is greater or equal than the discrepancy, then all we do is that we just say hover balls equals array, or just zeros, and then we break out of it. With this break, it will break out of this for loop, which means that we won't go through the entire process of getting the current distance. It's fail safe. Oh, sorry. Nice! Wow! I'm amazed that I got stuff done and that I always get a first try. Now I would need more ideas on what to do with the ships. I think tomorrow I'm gonna design some holes because I've been working on the components the entire time. I wanna work on the sort of kinda the holes a bit more just to see if I would have to change the components a bit. Because I've been testing the components the entire time with the one basic hull, and maybe I want to change that around so that it doesn't use the same hull over and over again, so that also different hulls can be used. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream now because I achieved what I wanted to do and I'm quite happy with the result. So yeah, I guess see you all tomorrow again, because I'll stream every day now. So yeah, anyway, and bye bye, see ya.